must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that I always thought was only you would hear. If only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you'd feel the way that I do. And I'd whisper these words as you'd lie here by my side. Deep in my soul, I
I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry. I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. And I know just where to touch you, and I know just what to prove. I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is fading, and I know the time's gonna fly. Girl, you are to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate this is the puzzle, just another part of the plan. One life touches the other. It's so hard to understand. Still we walk this alone together. We try to go as far as we can, and we have waited for this moment in time ever since the world began. Taking in the times gone by, we wonder how it all began. We'll never know, and still we try to understand. And even though the seasons change, the reason shall remain the same. It's love that keeps us.
Kahit hindi ka naiintindihan ng iba, manatili kang totoo. Hindi mo kailangang baguhin ang sarili mo para lang tanggapin ka nila. Sa mundo na puno ng pag-aalinlangan, ang katapatan sa sarili ang pinakamalakas mong sandata. Tandaan mo, hindi mo kailangang ipaglaban ang atensyon ng iba. Ipaglaban mo lang ang sarili mong kapayapaan. Kahit hindi ka naiintindihan ng iba, manatili kang totoo. Hindi mo kailangang baguhin ang sarili mo para lang tanggapin ka nila. Sa mundo na puno ng pag-aalinlangan, ang katapatan sa sarili ang pinakamalakas mong sandata. Tandaan mo, hindi mo kailangang ipaglaban ang atensyon ng iba. Ipaglaban mo lang ang sarili mong kapayapaan. ka naiintindihan ng iba, manatili kang totoo. Hindi mo kailangang baguhin ang sarili mo para lang tanggapin ka nila. Sa mundo na puno ng pag-aalinlangan, ang katapatan sa sarili ang pinakamalakas mong sandata. Tandaan mo, hindi mo kailangang ipaglaban ang atensyon ng iba. Ipaglaban mo lang ang sarili mong kapayapaan.
I know you're everything that I've been looking for. And I look into your eyes and could not ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometime when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with you. You're the one to pull me through, though I don't know when.
Talaga itong librida eh. Lagi niya ako tinatapon. Nandoon pa naman yung ano ko. Yung akong mga pinag-aralan. Nagchismis lang po kami patungkol sa malilimutin.
Going kami sa Riverside.
Punta kami mga ano naman sa mga kapatira doon na hindi lubos ang nakakilala.
Yeah. Hindi.
So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just
Walang rewind sa buhay, kaya gawin mong sulit ang bawat segundo. Ang kahapon ay tapos na, pero ang ngayon ay pagkakataong baguhin ang kwento mo. Huwag matakot magkamali, dahil doon ka lumalakas. Sa bawat
Ese cuerpito que tú tienes, el traje de baño chiquitito te queda. Esa blanquita con el sol y de una ya se pone morena.
I could never hurt the one I love. She's all I got, but she's so vulnerable. Oh, so vulnerable.
She was afraid to come out of the lock. She was as reckless as she could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would see. 2, 3, 4, tell the people what you want. It was a teeny, teeny, yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. Oh, teeny, teeny, yellow polka dot bikini, so in the rubber she wanted to stay.
Sa anong season ng taon nagbibigayan ang mga tao? Eleksyon.
Alam mo ba, muntikan